about to have a burrito wrap with avocado, black beans, wild rice, brown rice, some cilantro, dried cilantro, and a drizzle of hot sauce. And then I might even put some of the sun-dried tomatoes on it. So there it is. We got the sun-dried tomatoes. Now I gotta roll it up. There it is, all rolled up. Time to bust it. Just finished my workout. No, it's windy. My plate flew. I also put some dried onions in it. Not dried onions, what are they called? Dehydrated onions. This is good. Freaking thankful. Thank you for this food. I'm gonna have a second wrap in a minute. So we got some hummus. We're gonna spread this on the tortilla. Get a good amount because it's gonna be broccoli. You gotta make that broccoli taste good. That's some good hummus. Bean sprouts. Not bean sprouts, alfalfa sprouts. A good amount. Smash them down, smash them down. Broccoli. Now they said this was washed, but I saw a bug on it earlier. So I'm just checking them to make sure. I'm gonna try to put the small ones in there. Smaller broccolis. Get those good smaller ones so I can bite on them good. Oh, all right, that's probably good enough. Now I'm thinking I was gonna put some sauerkraut in there, but I don't think I need that because I think it's gonna be overkill. The hummus is probably enough flavor. And then if you want to really go in, get you some extra garlic powder. This stuff is already garlic. So I'm just gonna put some onion powder. Ooh, like that, just a little. The reason why I don't need all that is because it's already in the, you know. Now this one's gonna be a fully. And we're gonna start from this end. I gotta wrap the end up. Ooh, to hold it together because it's a small tortilla shell. There we go. And now we enjoy the fruits of our labor. A quick little meal. Peanut butter, all natural peanut butter that I get from Publix. It's just peanuts, dry roasted peanuts. No other ingredients, no sugar, no molasses, no salt, no honey. It's just natural peanuts, which are full of antioxidants. This is it, y'all. This is the second part of my meal. I already had some a broccoli wrap that I showed you. What I eating today. Look at that. If you want to be super fancy, put some honey on it. That's it. If you're not into honey, because you're, you know, one of the vegans that don't do the honey because the bees, then you can do some pure maple syrup. But honestly, you don't need that. Peanut butter is already naturally kind of sweet. Fold it. Sandwich time. Voila. You eat. If you want it sweet, put some honey on it. Put some honey. I think I already showed you guys my honey. honey bunny. Well, the honey is somewhere. I don't need it. I don't eat for taste to exit my body anymore. I eat for fuel. I just run a mile and a half, and I need some healthy carbs and some healthy fats. Mmm.